All right, so this question gives us two lines in the XY plane. We have line L and then we have line K. And we are told that these two lines are parallel, right? They are parallel. That's the key word you have to note. And we are given the coordinates on for 4 of the points, right? They want us to find P, which is the P here. It's in one of the coordinates. So here, what we have to do is, because it says they are parallel, we just have to find the slope. The slopes should be the same, should be equal. So the slope of L should be equal to the slope of K. So if I write ML should be the same as MK, right? So let's find the slope of L, right? With the slope, we just subtract one coordinate from the other, right? It doesn't matter which direction you do the subtraction, but it has to be the same direction once you settle on it. So for example, I want to subtract this coordinate from that. So I would write, we know it's what, delta y over delta x, right? So changing y over changing x, or rise over run. So for ML, I'm going to write 2 minus, that's this 2 minus 0 as the corresponding y. And then I come back here, 0 minus, and then there's another minus here. So it's 0 minus 5, right? So if we work this, it's going to be 2 over 0 minus 5 is 5, right? So that's the slope of L. Now the slope of K, we're going to do something similar. So we subtract one coordinate from the other. So I'm subtracting this lower coordinate from this upper coordinate. So the same thing. I start with the y. So it's changing y. So 0 minus 4 divided by P minus 0, right? The corresponding coordinates. So here, 0 minus 4 is what? 4. Because you have two negatives here. And then the denominator is what? P. Right? And based on what we said here, these two slopes are equal. So basically, 2 over 5 is equal to 4 over P. And then we just make the P the subject by cross multiplying, right? So if we cross multiply, we have 2P equals what? 20, right? So we cross multiply like this and like that. So in this, P will be what? We divide this by 2, we divide this by 2. This cancels out. 20 divided by 2 is equal to what? 10. So our P is equal to 10. So D is our answer. All right. So we just use the idea of parallel and then the slopes being equal, and you just start to sort of calculate it and equate the two together, and that's all you need to do. All right.